Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you? Today I want to talk to you about an important topic, Phentermine for weight loss. Phentermine is a medicine used to treat obesity. It is prescribed when people have trouble losing weight with diet and exercise alone. It is very useful for those who have health problems due to being overweight, such as high blood pressure or type 2 diabetes. And how does it work? Phentermine acts as an appetite suppressant. In other words, it affects the central nervous system and helps you feel less hungry. That makes it easier to follow a lower calorie diet and lose weight. Let's talk about how it's taken. Normally, you start with a low dose to see how your body responds. The starting dose is usually between 15 and 37.5 milligrams per day. It is very important that you follow your doctor's instructions so that you do not have unwanted side effects. Phentermine is taken before breakfast or between 1 and 2 hours afterward, so it doesn't give you trouble sleep. Now, let's talk about side effects and precautions. Some common side effects are dry mouth, insomnia, dizziness, and increased blood pressure. It is very important that you tell your doctor if you notice any negative effects. Also, Phentermine is not recommended for people with heart problems, hyperthyroidism, or glaucoma. To sum up, Phentermine can help you lose weight, but it is essential that you use it carefully and under the supervision of a doctor. If you are thinking about using it, talk to your doctor first to make sure it is the best option for you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.